In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a HoneyBook Pro for support. Expert Help 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. This is the official site where everything lives. So starting here keeps you on the right path and ensures you're using the most up-to-date tools. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials as you normally would. And if you're prompted for any security verification, like a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that. These checks help keep your account secure, and they only take a moment. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base in HoneyBook. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. You'll see an overview of your business activity. But for today, we're heading to the area that connects you with Expert Help. Look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation. It's where you'll find all the core areas of the platform. If you're on a smaller screen, tap the menu icon to reveal the same options. Take a second to get familiar with this panel. It's the quickest way to move around. From that menu, click on Resources. This section collects helpful learning and support options. Inside Resources, select HoneyBook Pros. When you click it, the HoneyBook Pros directory may open in a new tab. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's tabs or disable any pop-up blockers for this site. On the HoneyBook Pros page, you'll find a curated directory of vetted experts who specialize in HoneyBook and related business workflows. These professionals can help with setup, workflow design, automations, templates, brand customization, migration, and more. Browse the listings to explore categories, services, industries, and sometimes locations or budget ranges. Click into any profile to learn about their expertise, view portfolios or case studies, and read reviews and testimonials from other users. This is the best place to gauge fit for your needs. When you're ready to move forward, use the Contact or Request button on a pro's profile. In your message, briefly outline your goals, timeline, and any specific challenges you want to solve. Many pros offer discovery calls, which are great for aligning expectations and confirming the scope before you commit. As a best practice, avoid sharing sensitive credentials. If a pro needs access, use proper team permissions or secure methods provided by HoneyBook. That's it. Go to honeybook.com, log in, navigate via the left sidebar to Resources, select HoneyBook Pros, and choose the expert who fits your goals. With the right pro, you'll save time, streamline your systems, and feel confident about your setup.